May a beautiful sense of peace, fresh hope, and gentle calm fill your heart today as we welcome each other into this quiet, comfortable space. It is a true joy to have you here with me on the Verse channel, a sanctuary where we slow down the hurried pace of our lives to connect with ideas that heal, inspire, and deeply uplift our souls. Before we open our hearts to the life-changing wisdom of today's story, please take a soft, deep breath, let go of any tension you are carrying, and simply allow yourself to be completely happy and at peace in this exact moment. Today we are opening the beautiful, refreshing pages of a truly timeless masterpiece, How to Stop Worrying and Start Living by Dale Carnegie. Let us speak softly, listen calmly, and discover how to break the heavy chains of anxiety so we can fully embrace the beauty of life. The refreshing truth of the present moment. Imagine a beautiful scene where life stands gracefully amidst clear splashing water, fresh green leaves, and blooming white flowers under the warm sunshine. This imagery carries a profound message. Even when the rains of life fall around us, our minds can remain clear, refreshed, and beautifully alive. The story of this book begins with a very simple yet revolutionary idea: living in daytight compartments. The author explains that a tragic amount of human suffering comes from carrying the heavy baggage of yesterday's regrets and the crushing weight of tomorrow's fears, all at the exact same time. Imagine a great ocean liner sailing through a stormy sea. To keep the ship from sinking, the captain can press a button and instantly shut off the lower sections of the ship into watertight compartments. We are invited to do the exact same thing with our minds. We must learn to shut the iron doors on the past and the future, choosing to live entirely in the clean, safe boundaries of today. Today is the only time we can actually control, shape, and enjoy. A magical formula for the heaviest storms. For those moments when worry feels completely overwhelming and we do not know where to turn. The book shares a beautiful 3-step mental formula that can instantly bring calm to a chaotic mind. First, analyze the situation honestly. Ask yourself calmly, what is the absolute worst that can possibly happen in this situation? Cleanly face the reality of that fear without looking away. Second, accept the worst. Mentally reconcile with that worst-case scenario. Say to yourself, even if this happens, life will still go on, and I will find a way to survive. The moment you accept the worst, a strange and beautiful peace washes over you, because you no longer have anything left to lose. Third, improve upon the worst. Now that your mind is calm and no longer paralyzed by fear, devote your time and energy to quietly, step by step, improving upon the situation. Keeping your mind in motion. Another beautiful secret shared in this wisdom is a timeless law of human psychology. It is utterly impossible for the human mind to think of more than one thing at an absolute single moment. When we leave our minds empty and idle, anxiety naturally creeps in to fill the vacuum. The simplest remedy to stop worrying is to keep yourself thoroughly busy with meaningful work, creative hobbies, or helping the people around you. When you dedicate your hands and your intellect to a purposeful task, your mind naturally pushes out fear, replacing it with a quiet sense of accomplishment and deep joy. Simple points to carry with you. To help you remember the core essence of this beautiful journey in just a few moments, let us reflect on these simple truths. Life for today. Shut out the past and the future, and focus all your energy on doing your absolute best in this present day. Accept and improve. When facing a crisis, find the worst possible outcome, accept it completely, and then calmly work to make it better. Worry less, live more. Keep your mind beautifully active, protect your inner peace, and choose to be happy right now. As you step gently back into the rhythm of your day, carry the refreshing energy of sunshine and clear water inside your heart. Remember that you have full control over your mind. Leave your worries behind, like morning mist clearing in the sun, and step forward with absolute confidence. Thank you so deeply for sharing your precious time and your warm, radiant presence with me today on the Verse channel. Your path of personal growth and happiness means the world to me. Stay beautifully connected here. Keep a soft, peaceful smile upon your face, and may your path be abundantly blessed with a quiet mind, clear wisdom, and deep, lasting happiness. Be happy, and may you be beautifully blessed in every single thing you do.